So how do you make a sentence using the present perfect tense in English? You need a subject, for example, I, my brother, the green car. You need have or has, and you need a past participle. Don't worry, I'm going to explain this in a minute. But first, I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel and get a free English grammar booklet from the link in the video description. So first, have or has. Has is for the first person singular. He, she, or it. James has. My dentist has. This book has. Have is for everything else. I have. You have. We have. My parents have. The cars have. Now, what is the past participle? It's the third form of a verb. But how do you make that? Well, there are two types of verbs in English: regular and irregular. Regular verbs are easy. You just add ed at the end. Work becomes worked. Stay becomes stayed. Clean becomes cleaned. So, I have cleaned the kitchen. My friend has stayed with us. My colleagues have worked together for a long time. But some verbs in English are irregular. Unfortunately, you have to memorize them. For example, make becomes made. Forget becomes forgotten. Choose becomes chosen. So, I have made a salad for you. My neighbour has forgotten everything. The ducks have chosen their new home. Now let's do a little quiz. My boss, have or has finished work? Has finished. My boss is the first person singular, so we need has. I have made breakfast. Correct or incorrect? Incorrect. Make is an irregular verb, and in the present perfect you need the form made. So I have made breakfast. I have worked for this company for years. Correct or incorrect? Incorrect. You need the third form of work, which is a regular verb, so you need to add ed at the end. I have worked. Do you want to know when to use the present perfect? Watch the video I have linked in the video description, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.